he's beating us. This is a rainy day, guys. That car's all the way over there. Look how slow people are driving. Oh, he's catching on to us, guys. We have to beat him. We have to prove that lessons are faster. And then we have to go faster. No! He's catching up, guys. He's catching up. You have to... Oh my gosh. Whoa! It's loop-de-loop turn. Okay, he's gonna go now. I think we might beat us. Hey, Connie? Oh, wait, no. Go away. Come again. This is such a rainy day, guys. Wait. Also follow Jake on Instagram. Jake Haynes _ 2014. Okay, guys. Hey, bro. That's literally so rainy. You can see all the side effects. This is a rainy day. Okay, guys, we're gonna end right here. Make sure to subscribe and comment.